all have seen him as the Singham man. We all have seen him as the Vimal man. But this time Devu Bhaiya is on the big screen as the Creepy Man. From the actor who taught us how to make Aate Ki Guriya in Garibon Ka Money Heist, now comes with a movie that will teach us how to identify bhoots. And will also make you ask this question, इस मूवी में सेंस कहाँ है? So get ready because the researchers are gonna teach you कि जंगल में टाइगर देख के गाड़ी से कैसे उतरते हैं, जंगल में कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं, जंगल के बीच में कैसे सो सकते हैं और जंगल में कैसे आसानी से चल सकते हैं. Starring Ajay Devgan as Kali Pratap Singh, who loves money. And is somehow the most philosophical person in the movie.
इस दुनिया में एक ही चीज का भरोसा नहीं, मौत. साली कब कहाँ कैसे आ जाए.
John Abraham as Krish Thapar, who kinda makes out with snakes. Because अगर टाइगर के साथ करने गए तो
सत्य है, राम नाम सत्य है, राम नाम सत्य है, राम नाम सत्य है, राम नाम.
विवेक ओबरॉय as Dev Malhotra.
By the way, I'm God. Dev.
Who doesn't like crabs.
Cut the crap. Cut the crap. Cut the crap. Cut the crap. Just cut the crap, man. Cut the crap, man. Cut the crap!
And will teach you all the correct ways of sitting in a jeep. Lara Datta as Ishika, who is sanskari to her core.
तुमने पूजा कराई? नहीं गाड़ी है ना? It's inauspicious.
And her logic for not killing animals will blow your mind.
तुमने काले बिल्ली को मारा है. तुम इसका मतलब जानते हो? ये बहुत बड़ा अपशगुन होता है, बहुत अशुभ. देव आज फ्राइडे है. ये बिल्ली काली थी, ये गाड़ी काली है. It's all black.
And her common sense, well,
It's hot.
Esha Deol as Riya Thapar, who will make you realize that even the tigers in the movie acted better than her. Come on, woman, your husband is facing death in this scene. Kushal Punjabi as Sajid, who loves his gun.
It's not funny.
And who doesn't wear a proper shirt, not even as a ghost. Vishal Malhotra as Vishal, who is just there in the movie to die in a Final Destination way.
And you ain't taking me with you!
Come on, man, you had enough time to duck. Shah Rukh Khan, who is there in the movie, so that we do not forget the name of the movie. Featuring best introduction of characters, feet, toothpaste, advertisements. Bhoot's eye view of the world. Best metaphors for death. National Geographic. Typical दिल्ली का लौंडा fights.
हम दिल्ली से हैं, दिल्ली से।
ओए पूतरी ने गड्डी ठोक दी तेनू, तेरी गलती है।
मेरी गलती नहीं है।
अरे तेरे बाप की रोड है क्या?
अबे जान से मार दूंगा, समझा?
Staring competitions. People running from the script they signed. An ending song which has no relation with the plot of the movie. And last but not the least, deaths that will make you say,
ये तो होगा, ये तो होगा। Shut up man, give me a break। कुछ भी बोलता है, खामखा लड़कियों को डराने की कोशिश कर रहा है, बकवास करता है। This sounds damn interesting. It'll be an adventure. यार फार्म हाउस तो जाते रहते हैं all the time. Let's try something new यार।